Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be comparing two popular espresso machines, the Mueller Premium and the Gevi. We'll be evaluating them in different categories to help you make an informed decision about which product best suits your needs. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons like this one. When it comes to price, the Gevi comes in at $179, while the Mueller Premium is priced at $399. The Gevi is definitely the more affordable option. Both machines offer versatility in their own way. The Mueller Premium allows you to grind and brew, giving you the option to make a single or double shot of espresso. You can also adjust the temperature and use different types of portafilters. On the other hand, the Gevi has a hot water function, which makes it perfect for making tea or other hot drinks in addition to espresso. The Mueller Premium comes with everything you need to create a barista experience at home or in your office. The Gevi doesn't come with as many accessories, but it does have an adjustable steam wand to make lattes and cappuccinos. Both machines have great pressure systems, with the Gevi having a 20 bars high-pressure pump and the Mueller Premium having 15 bars of pressure. However, the Gevi's pressure system allows for a faster and more stable extraction, making the espresso more fragrant and rich in crema. The Mueller Premium is easy to clean and has a conical Burr grinder that can create uniform ground coffee. The Gevi has a removable froth nozzle that makes cleaning easier. And that concludes our comparison of the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine and the Gevi Espresso Machine. We hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to like and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Also, subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons like this one. Thanks for watching.